guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dishita and you are watching me on the day 8 of 30 days daily vlog challenge. Okay, so a very different thing happened today. I opened my journal today and I started writing a few things in it. No, I'm not a person who journals every day. I open it someday and come back again after like 3 business months maybe. So not very used to journaling every day. Today my brain felt like too many tabs are open here, so I wanted to dump everything on the paper and I did that, and I right now feel much better, calm after doing that. I can't journal every day because I think that's a too much of commitment for me. But yes, 2 or 3 years back I used to journal every day, like हर रोज मैं वो gratitude, manifestation सारी चीजें लिखती थी अपने journal में. I think my personality is a little changed. So yeah, and after that I finished writing a few scripts for my upcoming reels and I don't know मैं इसको कब shoot करूँगी, but आज बहुत ज़्यादा mood हो रहा था मेरा कि कुछ scripting करूँ, कुछ ideas pop up हो रहे थे दिमाग में, तो I started writing them. This is my book where I write all the scripts for, not all the, but yeah, a lot of scripts for my reels. After this I switched on to the editor mode and I started editing my few of the brand reels जो pending थे काफी time से. So working on that. After a very long time I actually sat on my desk and worked for a long time. Almost done with our work and now we'll get something to eat. और गेट नहीं, ऑब्वियसली मुझे जाके कुछ खाने के लिए बनाना होगा. क्या बनाऊँ आज? आई डोंट नो मैं क्या बनाऊंगी खाने के लिए, बट लेट्स सी. थोड़ा मोड़ा हाँ क्या टमाटोस one garlic and curry leaves. It's 2 o'clock guys and I'm making lunch for me and my flatmate Akshara. और आज हम बना रहे हैं दाल चावल, my favorite. I'm not making the usual yellow color dal that I like. I'm making it bit spicier और जीरा ख़त्म हो गया है.
It's not iodized. Some rock salt or something she gave. इस बार वो वाला डाल देंगे.
Okay, we can refill this one. This is pink salt.
Yeah, that one. उसको कैसे रहती है?
मम्मी होगा तो अलग ही होता है मतलब. अभी मम्मी आई थी तो 2 डिब्बे घी के लेकर आए मेरे लिए.
मैंने देखा इसकी स्मेल बहुत ही डिफरेंट है इसकी. जो तुम्हारे डब्बे हैं ये.
Yeah, this is like a.
बहुत मीठी मीठी सी स्मेल नहीं है.
I don't know, मतलब नॉर्मल काऊ घी जैसी ही है. But you don't like ghee.
I like कच्चा घी. Like I'll put it on top of my dal, or like I'll have ghee puri rice, stuff like that.
But not in the.
मेरे को बहुत भारी लगता है कुकिंग.
But तुम्हें कैसे पता चल जाता है कि इसमें
You
घी
can
है?
taste it.
अभी मैंने इसमें घी डाला है कि नहीं हाँ
I think you have, knowing you.
नहीं डाला मैंने जानबूझ के because you don't like it.
But what if you made it in there?
But I'm doing a tadka of ghee on this.
Tadka of ghee.
Yeah.
But in the base, what did you put?
Olive oil.
Olive oil.
Yeah.
You can do sarson also, bro.
सरसों को डालना I think ये बहुत ज़्यादा smell छोड़ता है तो इसलिए.
हाँ, सरसों की smell बहुत
सब्जी
तेज
के
होती
लिए
है. Cute, very chill.
Very nice. Guys, this is our third flatmate by the way. Guest appearance.
Hello. जैसे इस घर में. ठीक है.
दाल चावल. You wanna have some?
आ जा रही हूँ मैं.
Okay.
Have fun. कहाँ जा रहे हो? अरे हम ऐसे बकवास
नहीं,
कर
हम
रहे थे
बकवास ही
बीच
कर रहे
में. अरे हो सकता है कुछ आ जाए. Actually, that's new, no?
No, this is the I don't wear it, but
Very nice.
Engagement ring.
sweet. And I'm like, hello.
Yeah.
When you said eating the chicken achar, that's when you get your reaction.
I don't know if I'm gonna eat chicken का अचार, guys. मुझे पता भी नहीं था चिकन का अचार भी exist करता है.
ये ना नेपाली स्टाइल है, तो इसमें ना जो स्पाइस यूज होता है, it's like this Chinese peppercorn called mala,
Okay.
which kind of like numbs your mouth a little bit. It's very yummy.
And she knows everything about food industry.
I just like food, guys. I really like food.
food. She knows everything.
Also, my dad's a bit psychotic. Like he introduced us to all of this when we were kids. तो तब से बस वो कभी खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है.
Okay, you take it for yourself, then I'll taste a little bit.
Okay, like our flatmate got it from Nepal because she's Nepali.
Yeah.
They always have, you know, they blame me.
Guys, I'm trying to
Jocelyn,
chicken
I'm
achar.
Lana, right? They want you to have a relationship with your kids.
It's very tough, no? Because they sukhaw the chicken.
Yeah?
They dry it.
Here.
I am getting ready for an audition, and the brief of the character was she is in her early 30s and कुछ ethnic कुछ Indian पहनना था. I think this one looks better. Okay, so guys, I'm done with shooting my audition and now I'm leaving for the practice. I won't change, I'll just go like this.
वो knowledge नहीं मिलती किसी से कि how to deal with this life of being an artist, in your case being an actor. But everyone has gone through this before us. If you remember that and keep that in mind, that's what they say, that you aren't actually alone. For the heroes of all time, आपके पहले हर इंसान उसी चीज से गुजरा है.
I'm home and after my rehearsals मुझे पता नहीं था there was a talk session with Aditya Kriplani and also exclusive screening of his new feature film that is coming with Nawazuddin Siddiqui, and the movie's name was मैं actor नहीं हूँ, and we watched the first half of the movie and it was quite amazing. It was fun. So yeah, after all that I just came home. I'll have something now. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगी है, बहुत ज़्यादा थकान भी हो रही है. I think I should end my vlog here itself, guys. So I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Yeah, take care. Bye bye.